both. Here they come. Put your arms up. Bad throw, Daddy.
Daddy, put your hand up. Put your hand
I'm ready.
up.
I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Put your hands up. I'm going to throw one at a time. Here comes the other one. Nice throw, dude.
Daddy, put yours.
Catch it, Sully.
Here you go, catch. Get back over there. Catch this ball.
Daddy, let me hit it.
Oh, that was almost. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, almost.
Here you go.
Throw it with the other hand, silly. Throw it with the other hand.
Here you go.
Okay. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you tipped it. Here comes another one. Ow! Hit the batter. Take a base, bud. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! You got it. Catch it. You want my fastball?
Yeah.
Alright, here it comes. Whoa. Alright, here it comes. Oh. Too much heat on that one, huh?
It's a rocket.
You gonna use your leg? No.
Oh, you did it.
I did it!
Go get it. Throw it to me. Get over there. Catch this ball. No, no hitting. Catch it. Are you still taping this? Here it comes. No.
Whoa.
Here you go. Here you go.
Here you go. Catch. All right, don't throw that.
Down.
We only throw the ball. Here you go.
Whoa.
Need a 3D view of that one.
Almost.
That one?
Hey, don't throw that.
Oh, Sullivan? That's not funny.